YooHoo! Subscribe!
Pammee! Yoo-hoo! Thank goodness we're both safe! Wow, they're beautiful! This place is hot. Somebody help me.
I really don't like this place at all.
Wait a minute, where on earth are we exactly? Hey, Lemmee, look at that thing. Isn't that supposed to be a coconut? So it is a coconut. Let's see now. According to my encyclopedia, coconuts are tropical fruits that have a sweet and watery fluid inside them.
I can't open this thing. How do you eat it? It really won't open. What are we going to do now? We're going to starve.
Wow, what was that? I don't know. Where is everyone else? I can't wait to see them. I'm sure they're just somewhere around here, Pammee.
I've had it. I'm not going to eat coconuts. Take that.
Huh? Yoo-hoo! A coconut just fell from the heavens! Wow! That was really delicious. Yes, it's really refreshing.
Isn't that Yoohoo and Pammee?
You're right. Yoo-hoo!
Pammee!
Hey, look! Hey, it's Roodee and Lemmee! Hey, you. Do you know why we're all here? Not really. To tell you the truth, I don't have any idea. What I do remember vaguely is that I think we fell into the door when we were all trying to run away from the black cloud chasing us. So does that mean Utopia no longer exists? Wait a minute. Let's see what this has to say. That's not the case. According to the encyclopedia, if we find all of the seeds of life, Utopia will be brought back to its former beauty. Really? Thank goodness! Then all we need to do now is collect all the seeds. Let's go! Huh? Poor fellow, he's suffering. Let's go help him. Just hold on, Mr. Turtle. We'll help you. Hang on, okay? Okay, ready, Lemmee? 1, 2, think it's the perfect time for us to set out and look for the green seeds. Hey, Chewoo's missing! Not again! Have any of you seen her? Huh? Oh no, she's missing. If she's not with us, she must have landed somewhere else. Let's go, guys! We have to find Chewoo! Let's go! Chewoo! Chewoo! Hey, look over there! Chewoo! Oh! Hey guys, I'm all right. The bird thinks that I'm one of her chicks, and the food is really good. But Chewoo, how are you going to get down from there?
Do you even realize the trouble you're in?
Huh? Come to think of it, somebody help me! Get me down from here! How are we going to get her out? I'm gonna climb my way up. The wall is too high and too steep to climb. If we want to get Chewoo down here, I'll need your help. This isn't going to work. I'll think of something. Leave it to me. I'll still need your help, everyone. All right.
Huh?
It's finished. This is what we'll use. Ta-da! Yay! Let's get on with it and save Chewoo. This is really awesome. You can do it, Roodee. Go and save her. Hey there, guys. Hey, Chewoo. Hold on to my tail. Okay. Wait a minute. Chewoo. What is that sound?
Oh no! Yoo-hoo! Watch out!
Hurry up, guys! Chewoo, what are you doing? We have to go now. It's here somewhere. Okay, I found Some other bird is coming after us. We need to hurry. We're doomed. Oh no! I think that they're going to fall.
Hang on, guys. She's right behind you.
I don't think I can hold on. You can do it, Chewoo. Roodee, can't you go any faster than this? This is the fastest I can go, Yoohoo. Chewoo!
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 Chewoo! Wait a minute. There's something moving in the bushes. Huh? Why are there two Chewoos?
Chewoo? Hello, you guys. Oh, what is this thing? Oh, what? Huh? Wow, they look exactly alike. I think the mother thought you were one of her children. That's why she chased you like crazy.
Yeah, you look exactly like each other.
Chewoo got us into trouble again. I know, but it's okay. Go on, little one. Go back to Mommy now. They really do look alike. It's amazing. Don't you think, guys? It's so confusing. Hey, listen, Chewoo. What was that you were looking for earlier? I was actually trying to look for... this! It's one of the seeds that we lost in Utopia.
I was able to find one of the seeds. I know, that's our first one.
Who blew them all away in the first place?
Go and put it in the seed pouch, Chewoo. Now we have to start looking for the rest of the seeds.
That's right. But how do we know where to find the other seeds? There are 30 of them. Huh? Oh, look at that. The light is pointing that way. I think it's trying to tell us where to find the next seed, guys. If that's the case, then let's go! Yay! Wait a minute, how are we supposed to cross the ocean? Huh?
The turtle wants to help us to the ocean by giving us a ride.
Is everyone ready? We finally made it. Come on, you guys. It's just ahead of us. I'm really thirsty. Is there water anywhere?
Is there food anywhere? I'm really hungry.
And what's up with the sun in this area? It's so hot I can't move.
I really need to drink cold spring water from Utopia.
I'm desperate for the fruits that we used to eat in Utopia. We want to go back to Utopia!
Hold on a minute. How did we even end up here in this place to begin with?
Huh? Me?
So it's all your fault.
What did I do to any of you?
It's all your fault. Utopia is in danger because of you.
Utopia is in danger because of me?
Hello. Good morning, Pammee. Huh? Roodee, get up! Here. Did you fall asleep reading the encyclopedia again, Roodee? Tickle, 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 tickle. Did you sleep well, Chiu?
Yes, I did.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning to you, too.
Hey, Lemmy's missing. Has anyone seen him?
Right above you guys. I was just staying up on this branch all this time.
Oh, wow. You really are quite the busy bee.
I can't wait to see what's in store for all of us today. Yoo-hoo! Oh, today is Fruit Day, the time of year when we celebrate fruits. Really? So it's settled then. Let's all go and pick fruit.
Yeah!
I'm so excited. All the different kinds of fruit. I want that.
I want to eat Wow! It's so pretty. That must be a firework fruit.
Whoa, I wonder what this does. This looks interesting. Wow, this tastes great.
You're so silly. I'm gonna get you for that. I'm gonna get you.
I've seen that before.
Why don't we try tasting it? Guys, gather up. It's time to start looking out for Utopia.
Yes, we know.
Let's go.
Wow, wait a minute. Hey guys, wait for me!
Oh my goodness, that's it. That's a tree of life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 29, 30. All 30 seeds are all there and well. All right, now it's time for us to look for Utopia, guys. Phew, if we're able to plant all of these seeds, we will never run out of fruit to eat.
Okay, let's see. The fruits won't grow without water and sunshine, but right now we need more clouds. Roodee, could you provide us with more clouds?
Don't you worry about a thing, Lemmee. I'm on it. Just watch and see. The master is now at work. All right. Here we go! Yeah! Yippee! Are any one of you guys getting bored? Come on, everyone! Let's all dance! Let's all dance together among the flowers! Come on! Chiu! Where'd you go this time, Chiu?
What's going on?
We have to start watering the seeds, but I can't find Chiu anywhere. Now that you mention it, I don't think I've seen him anywhere either.
He's probably found something to play with, like a bug or something.
But we won't be able to water the seeds without his help.
Hey guys!
There he is! Chiu, where on earth did you come from this time?
Obviously, he's been doing his own thing.
You will not believe what I'm just about to show all of you guys. Take a good look at this. Ta-da!
Where were you able to find that thing, Chiu?
Oh, I found it from this fruit that you have to peel until you get to the center.
A fruit you have to keep peeling. Chiu, we still have to plant seeds and water all of them. We have to get started.
A fruit you don't stop peeling, that is what I'm planting. A fruit you don't stop peeling, that is what I'm planting. Fruit you don't stop peeling, that is what I'm planting.
Aha! Here it is! A fruit that you don't stop peeling. This fruit has 100 layers, and when the last layer has been peeled off, only the fruit will be left. This fruit is known to cause allergic reactions. Chiu, stop! Don't touch that seed! Whoa! Watch out, guys!
The seed!
Oh my goodness, the tree of life is in danger! Oh no, what do we do? Achoo! Hey, look, a pouch! I think the encyclopedia is trying to tell me something. What it's trying to say is that without the green seeds, the tree of life will wither and Utopia will be gone. But if we're able to find all the seeds and put them in the pouch, Utopia will be saved from destruction and desolation. The balance that was upset shall be restored.
But Utopia seems perfectly all right, Roodee.
Can you give us a brief explanation how one seed can make a difference?
Oh no, Utopia is being eaten away by the darkness! Roodee, it's exactly like what was written in the encyclopedia. It says here that before Utopia is taken over by the darkness, a gateway to the location of the seeds should open. Then we have to find the gateway fast. That has to be the gateway. Okay, everyone, get ready to jump anytime.
I'm scared. Wait for me!
That's okay, guys. If we help each other out, we'll be able to find all of the missing seeds.
Do you really think that we can find them?
Chewoo, it's not entirely your fault, you know. All of us sneezed because of that seed. Oh yeah, sure, it's not his fault at all. But he did bring back a seed from the Tree of Life of all trees located in Utopia.
Yeah, even if it was Chiu who dropped the seed and was the reason why everyone sneezed all the green seeds away from home.
He was just trying to show us a fruit. He only wanted to share with us what he thought was interesting enough to show us. Isn't that what any friend would do?
I would never dare think of getting any of my friends into this kind of trouble, ever.
That's right, me neither, never.
With really smart friends just like Roodee and Lemmee, I'm quite sure we'll be able to find all the green seeds in no time. Am I right, Pammee?
Of course you are.
Well, that is true, but... Chewoo, forget about it and cheer up already. Chewoo, what on earth are you doing?
Chewoo! What did I do this time? Come back here! Yup, that's our little Chewoo right there, all right? Wow!
Look, the light is headed towards the river.
But the turtles have left. Oh no, what do we do?
I don't know. We need a canoe. Hey guys, check out our brand new canoes.
Oh.
Wow, good job, Roodee.
I don't like canoes. I don't like them at all.
Hello there, friends! Oh my goodness, there's too many of them to count! Oh wow, this is such a magnificent valley!
I think some of these walls were used as tomb for ancient kings, but I'm not sure.
Even I didn't know that. Good for you, Lemmee.
Maybe you have some kind of strange connection to this island, Lemmee.
Stop it, Chiu. You're biting off more than you can chew.
Okay, guys. It's getting dark already. You know what? I think we should spend the night in this cave. I think you're right. Let's rest up, guys. Hey, Lemmee, where are you going at this time of night?
I can't go to sleep at all. I'm gonna get some fresh air. You go back to sleep.
Lemmee, I'll go with you. Wait up! I don't think there's anything special here, Lemmee. What's up? Huh? Where is everybody? Huh? Hey, guys! Where are you? Hey, guys! Pammee! Roodee, Chewoo!
I think I might have an idea who took our friends away, Yoo-hoo.
You do? Hey, Lemmee, do you know where we're headed for right now?
I do, Yoo-hoo. Just follow me.
Lemmee, what on earth are you doing? Hey, Lemmee, do you know what they're saying? What are they trying to tell us?
They thought that Pammee, Roodee, and Chiu were going to invade their territory. Why did you capture my friends? Let go of all of them, now!
Hey, guys, are you all right? We were suffocating in there.
What happened? This place is full of lemmies.
I know. I think we just found ourselves right in Lemmee's hometown, Madagascar.
Yeah, that's right. This is where lemurs live. We consider this forest sacred because it's filled with baobab trees.
Hey, Lemmee, what are your friends trying to say this time?
Yoo-hoo, you have to come and follow me. This is the great baobab tree.
It's all dry and white. Is anything wrong with it?
I'm going to try to talk to the baobab tree. The great baobab tree is severely dehydrated. It needs to be given a lot of water.
Hey guys, come on. Let's go get this baobab tree some water.
Let's kill it! Go!
Wow, amazing. I've never seen a mountaintop that pointy in my whole life. This place is called a reserve.
This great baobab tree must be given water from this reserve to survive. But there's been no water flowing to this place for quite some time now.
Is there any reason why? A place where the streams start. Oh, maybe we should try looking for clues on that cliff top. We might find something there. And how do you suggest we make the climb? We have to come up with a plan first, you know. Any suggestions? They could have waited for me to finish building something awesome, but I guess they want to start doing things quickly.
Roodee, I think what they're doing is really dangerous. They might fall down. Can you make something to assure their safety?
All right then, Pammee, Lemmee, behold my newest creation.
I would very much rather use that time to catch up with them instead if I were you.
I think it might have been better to just wait for Roodee's invention after all.
But we have to get water to give to that tree as soon as possible to keep it from withering.
You're right, Yoo-hoo. Let's just continue doing this our way then.
Chewoo, my tail!
That was a close call.
You bet it was. Good thing you grabbed my tail in time.
Yoo-hoo, just a little more.
Hold on, guys. I just need one more minute. Hang on.
Just do what you can and make it quick. Their lives are hanging in the balance.
I'm sorry. I can't. I'm not a fast builder. I'm only a really quick thinker, you know?
Yoo-hoo, are you all right?
Yes, of course.
Are we near yet? How much longer?
We're almost there. I think we're almost there. Don't worry.
Whoa! Wow! So that's where the water is supposed to come from.
But it looks like there's something that's blocking its pathway.
Huh? Yoo-hoo, what's wrong? What's in there?
It's exactly what I thought. It's being blocked.
But I got it!
Wow, look at all this water.
The great baobab tree will be rejuvenated now.
There's no time to waste. Come on, let's grab a bucket and go.
You must have been very thirsty.
Look. Wow, the tree is full of life once more. Amazing.
They want to thank you for saving their great baobab tree.
That's not a problem. We also found something we were looking for. Yippee! Hooray!
That's so
We
great!
found a green seed! All right, we know where to head to next. We have to start preparing to leave right away. I built a hot air balloon to help us sail through the skies.
It's actually cotton candy!
Hey, don't eat it. We won't be able to fly without it. Chiu, control yourself. Okay, guys, let's go.
See you!
Bye, guys. You all take care now. Bye.